Fuel injection pumps are a critical part of diesel engines. They aren't the most talked about components, but their role is crucial. The efficiency, power, and reliability of a diesel engine often come down to how well the fuel injection system operates. Without a properly functioning fuel pump, even a high-performance engine will struggle to deliver consistent power, smooth operation, and optimal fuel consumption. The KRRK-parts 397-59270402736924 fuel injection pump is designed specifically for Cummins ISLE L375 engines. This pump is a replacement unit built to restore and maintain engine performance to the levels expected from a heavy-duty diesel engine. Understanding the function. A fuel injection pump controls the delivery of diesel fuel from the tank to the engine cylinders. It ensures fuel is delivered at precise pressure, in the correct quantity, and at the right time. This timing is critical for engine combustion efficiency. Even minor inconsistencies in fuel delivery can lead to poor engine performance, increased fuel consumption, and higher emissions. For Cummins ISLE L375 engines, which are commonly used in heavy-duty trucks, industrial machinery, and buses, the fuel injection pump works under significant load. Reliability in this component is non-negotiable because engine performance, fuel economy, and operational uptime depend on it. Key features of the KRRK-parts pump. The KRRK-parts 3,975,927 pump, also known as 0402736924, is a direct replacement for the original Cummins part. This ensures proper fitment and maintains the engine's original performance characteristics. Unlike generic aftermarket pumps, this model is designed to meet or exceed OEM standards. That means no compatibility issues, no reduced efficiency, and no risk of premature wear. Its construction and calibration are specifically tailored for the Cummins ISLE L375 engine, making it a dependable solution for those needing a replacement. Advantages of using a quality replacement pump. Consistent power output. Engines rely on precise fuel delivery for torque and horsepower. A high-quality replacement pump restores lost engine performance, enabling the vehicle or equipment to operate as intended. Improved fuel efficiency. Worn-out pumps can cause engines to consume more fuel than necessary. Installing a quality pump helps the engine burn fuel efficiently, reducing overall operating costs. Smooth engine operation. Proper fuel injection timing ensures smooth idling, stable acceleration, and fewer misfires. This also contributes to lower engine stress and longer lifespan. Lower emissions. Correct fuel atomization and timing lead to more complete combustion, reducing smoke and harmful exhaust gases. Enhanced durability. Built with high-grade materials, this pump is capable of withstanding high pressures, temperature fluctuations, and continuous operation in heavy-duty applications. Common signs that a pump needs replacement. Identifying a failing fuel injection pump early can prevent major engine damage. Here are some warning signs to watch for. Difficulty starting the engine, particularly in cold conditions. Increased fuel consumption or reduced efficiency. Engine misfires or rough idling. Loss of acceleration or power under load. Visible smoke from the exhaust, especially black or blue smoke. Ignoring these issues can lead to further engine problems, costly repairs, or complete engine failure. Installation and maintenance considerations. Replacing a fuel injection pump requires precision. Correct alignment and timing are crucial for optimal performance. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure the pump functions correctly and safely. Once installed, ongoing maintenance is straightforward. Using clean fuel, replacing fuel filters regularly, and following Cummins service guidelines will extend the life of both the pump and the engine. Preventative maintenance is key for heavy-duty engines that experience constant and demanding workloads. Why this pump matters for Cummins engines. Cummins ISLE L375 engines are engineered for durability and heavy-duty performance. Whether installed in trucks, buses, or industrial machinery, these engines need components that can endure demanding conditions. A reliable fuel injection pump ensures consistent fuel delivery, efficient operation, and long-term durability. Choosing a replacement pump that matches OEM